Welcome! This video is to demonstrate how to make an appointment with a librarian for research help. On the library homepage, icc.edu/library, scroll down nearly to the bottom of the page, and you will see a card that says Meet with a Librarian. Select Make an Appointment. You will see a few different options to make an appointment. If you know which librarian you would like to meet with, go to the right-hand side and select that librarian's name. In order to schedule an appointment with any librarian, select Schedule an Appointment. You will select if you would like an online appointment at East Peoria, or an appointment at the Peoria Library. Once you have selected what type of appointment you would like, you can see the staff members who you could meet with. Select one of the staff members, or look at both to see which librarian has times available that work with your schedule. Once you have found a time and date that works well for you, select the date and the time, and then select Continue. Please provide details such as your contact information and the reason for your appointment. If there is a specific class that you want help with, please write the name and section number of the class. For an online appointment, you will receive a link on Zoom or Teams, and then select Confirm Appointment. Once you have confirmed your appointment, you will receive a confirmation email. If you've chosen an online appointment, you will be sent a link to that appointment separately. Thank you.